Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you my dad's houseplants collection. So he's got this the Dracaena fragrance, and look at that stem down there. This must be around 5 years old already, and this very huge anthurium. It's putting out blooms, and there is another one down there. So he got this at a clearance for £3, which is not bad. Look at the size of that leaves. And then here at the back is a another Dracaena. It's a Dracaena marginata, and this parlor palm, and it's got that flowers. I think it is a flower spike, so I don't know if that's the actual flower or if it's going to open up or it's finished blooming. And there's another one down there, and there's more at the back. And then he got this African violet, and in this corner here is another palm. And here, if you have seen my spider plant collection, so this is the mother plant, and it's got a lot of babies, tiny pups coming out, and those are just plastic plants down there. Well, I don't know if you could see that it's very dark because the windows are closed. Thank you. You heard me. So this is, I think, a Dieffenbachia, and I'm not sure if it's an Aglaonema. I think it's more like a Dieffenbachia. I could not really tell, and it's too far away from the window, and at the moment mom and dad are away, so the windows are closed and these plants are not getting any sunlight at all. From that corner, I just tried to open up the curtain a little bit to give this Dracaena plant here a bit of light. So it's very tall and it's looking a bit struggly. So there's that. And then from the kitchen windowsill, he's got this I think this is a Thanksgiving cactus, and as you can see, there are a lot of spider plants that dad is trying to root in water, and I just refilled some of it with water, and he will be transplanting them soon in his backyard. From on this corner is another I can't really tell if I can't really tell if this is a Thanksgiving cactus or a Christmas cactus because it's very struggly looking, but I think that one is the Christmas cactus, so this must be a Thanksgiving cactus. And I like this, and I got, ooh, it's the dried fine leaves are coming off. I got a very small one yesterday, and when I first saw this, it was this tiny and it was a bit struggly looking, and that was like 5 years ago. So it has gotten really big now, and it's up there. I don't know if you can see that. And then here is another Dracaena, and I like how Dad staked it like an orchid, and it's like hanging down. And another Christmas cactus, a bromeliad. Oops, I'm sorry about that. That's skipping that dwarf. I don't know what you call that. And then he's got some seedling here for his veggie patch. And then another Thanksgiving cactus. Here he's got a peace lily, and Dad loves this yellow guys, and he's got a lot of them all over the house. And then I don't know what this plant is, but it looks like a succulent. It actually it's similar to a jade plant, so I don't know. Yeah, it looks like a jade plant, a variety of jade plant. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.